So I have a request from a fan, and they asked me to show how to make the tie-dye roses, or how to do it. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna insert pictures and stuff into this video and talk about the process. But yeah. So I'm gonna show you how you can get this. I think I did it a little too long, but I really wanted the pigment to show up. But now I have it in a vase of water and sugar, so maybe that'll help. It's starting to droop, but as you can see, the color really did stick to the leaf, and maybe next time I'll cut it shorter. The shorter the stem you cut, the more dye it'll go faster. So I used the colors blue, as you can see over here, and then red, but this kind of turned it to a pink, which is really beautiful, and I like this. The whole thing didn't get dyed, but this is like a blue tint, and it's just really pretty. I'm going to show you guys how to get these, and I kind of like the way that this looks. It does look more like tie-dye than what you might see, so I'm going to tell you guys how to get it. So when making a tie-dye rose, it'll start out with a white rose, and then cut the stems into however many sections you want. Getting this color, adding food coloring into cups. So once you cut the stems, you can use like a razor blade to cut the end of the stem into sections, and then pick the colorings that you want for the food color, and then put them in separate little containers and put them into, put each section into the cups of different food colorings, so that you have your cups that you want, your colors that you want for the flower. And then once you've done that, you're going to leave it overnight for about a day or two to get the color to come in, up into the roses. Now, if you want it to go faster, cut the stem a little shorter and do the sectioning like that, and you'll get the result that I did. I also forgot to mention, when you add the food colorings into cups, you're also going to want to add some water. So I usually fill up the cup a little bit with water, then put drops of food coloring in and stir it up real good before I put the flower in there.